Mushroom business opportunities and marketing. Mushroom cultivation is not just a science, it's a growing business opportunity that blends agriculture, nutrition, and sustainability. With increasing global demand for healthy, organic, and plant-based foods, mushrooms have become one of the most profitable agribusiness ventures for both urban and rural entrepreneurs. Diverse business opportunities in mushroom farming. Mushrooms offer a wide range of income-generating possibilities beyond just cultivation. Here are some profitable areas to explore: fresh mushroom production, supplying local markets, restaurants, and hotels with freshly harvested mushrooms. Value-added products, creating mushroom powders, snacks, soups, or tea blends for health-conscious consumers. Spawn production, producing and selling mushroom seeds, spawns to new growers. Mushroom packaging and branding, developing creative packaging for fresh or dried mushrooms to reach wider markets. Training and consultancy, offering workshops or online courses for beginners and farmers interested in mushroom cultivation. Waste to wealth products, using spent substrate as organic compost or livestock feed. Marketing strategies for mushroom products. To succeed in mushroom farming, marketing is as important as production. Here are key strategies to build visibility and customer trust. Know your market. Identify your target consumers, from households to restaurants and wellness shops. Build a brand. Create a memorable brand name, logo, and packaging that communicates freshness and quality. Use digital marketing. Leverage social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, to share your process, recipes, and success stories. Collaborate with local businesses. Partner with grocery stores, eateries, and health food outlets to reach more customers. Educate your market. Teach customers about the nutritional and medicinal value of mushrooms to increase demand. Offer value and trust. Ensure consistent supply. Maintain hygiene, and use eco-friendly packaging to retain loyal buyers. Financial benefits and future outlook. Mushroom cultivation requires low startup capital, small space, and quick returns, making it ideal for youth and small-scale entrepreneurs. As global trends lean towards sustainable foods and wellness, mushroom-based products are finding their place in supermarkets and health stores worldwide. Conclusion: with creativity, consistency, and proper marketing, mushroom farming can evolve from a small backyard setup into a thriving agribusiness. It's more than just farming, it's a path to food security, sustainability, and wealth creation.